हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। और आप मेरी बैकग्राउंड में एक जीप को देख सकते हैं जिसको काफ़ी ज़्यादा मॉडिफाइड किया गया है। मैं तो बोलूँगा हेवीली मॉडिफाइड है, जो कि हम बैंगलोर में हैं, बट दिस कार इज़ पीबी रजिस्ट्रेशन, पंजाब रजिस्ट्रेशन। एंड फिर भी भाई को थैंक यू सो मच। बहुत बैंगलोर में बहुत ज़्यादा ही गर्मी है आज। अभी जस्ट जनवरी का महीना चल रहा है, बट इट इज़ वेरी वेरी हॉट इन बैंगलोर। तो सबसे पहले इस कार के ओनर को हम वेलकम करते हैं। तो सर, आपका व्हाट इज़ योर नेम?
Hi everyone, my name is Nagarjun. I'm based on Bangalore, and this is my modified Jeep.
So tell us about your Jeep.
It's an 2005 model XRMI 4C, and it's have a Bolero DI 2015 model engine.
Okay.
And it's have monster tire.
Okay. So how much have you spent on the car till now?
This is I have gone there and I've modified in front of me only. He did.
Okay. You went there, got
Yes.
the car, and came here.
I gone there and there only they prepared.
Okay.
Front of with me.
Okay.
It's got around from transport everything. It will be cost around for me 4.5 lakhs.
Okay. Which model is this? Which
This
year?
one 2005 model XRMI 4C.
Okay.
And it's have 2015 model
2015
Bolero DI turbo
Okay.
engine.
Bolero engine, DI engine.
And
Okay.
it's have fog lamps.
Okay.
And it's have
So including all the cost, it is 4.5.
yes,
right?
everything.
4.5. तो
Everything.
दोस्तों, अभी हम चलिए इस कार के डिटेल्स में अभी आपको ले जाते हैं। So नागार्जुन भाई, हमारे व्यूअर्स को बताइए कि आपने क्या क्या, what all have you done in this lovely Jeep?
It's have monster tire.
Okay.
And it's have music system. It's an added extra fitting.
Okay.
And it's have fog lamps.
Okay. Fog lamps.
And it's
as
have
well. There are four fog lamps. Actually.
Yes, yes.
Total 6.
yes, totally 6, and one is for extra, and
Oh
one
my
is
God.
for
So many
parking.
lights. So whoever comes from the front, you make him blind, right?
Yes, we will
blend.
when we drive it will be get brightness. And it's have Momo steering.
Okay.
Momo steering, and this one gear knob.
Okay.
And it's have music system and
Nice.
power steering. All
Power steering also?
Yes, power steering.
Power steering also.
hand
Okay,
brake,
Nice.
disc brake.
Okay, okay. What is this for the off-roading, right?
This is for off-roading. When the wheel has been stuck into the road,
Correct,
na,
correct.
we have to take something.
Okay.
And it's have
What is the size of this tire? Do you know?
yes, I know.
What is the exact? Okay.
It's in 15 inches tire.
Oh my God. So how much mileage do you get?
Presently I am getting 5 to 6.
5 to 6 with this tire.
Yes, in this tire, and it's have extra stepney,
स्टेपनी
and for
दोस्तों
the
आप टायर
flat.
की साइज देख सकते हैं. आई मीन दिस इज लाइक मॉन्स्टर. मतलब ये ट्रैक्टर में भी सेम टायर लगा
Yes, yes,
है
it's
क्या?
designed for tractor,
ओके
and it
माय गॉड.
and it's have altered top.
Okay, is this waterproof?
Yes, it's an waterproof,
Okay.
and it's have 1963 model.
Jerrycan, oh
this
my
one.
god, wow. Yeah, how did you manage to get this?
We will get all modification items in there only.
Okay. Nice. So do you fill up Dettol in, I mean, diesel in this? Dettol
No,
will be
just
available.
for show I
Okay.
just kept there.
Okay. Dettol, yeah,
Okay,
अच्छा था.
it's fine.
Nice. Okay, so this is also for off-roading.
Yes, this is for only show. If need, we can use it for that purpose also.
Okay.
And this is for show pieces.
Okay.
And this is for this is not for
This
show.
is not active, right?
No,
Okay,
just for
not
you
active, okay.
show.
Okay. So I can see the Karnataka flag flying.
Yes, we
huh?
are in Bangalore. I am
Yes.
from based on Bangalore.
I am
Karnataka,
not
right?
from Bangalore, but this city has given me everything, so I am in love with Bangalore.
Yes, so I just kept. I love Karnataka.
Yeah, we all do. So tell me about the interiors. What have you done?
Then the 2 bucket seat is there,
Okay.
and we can sit backside also.
Okay. Roll gauge is also there.
Yes.
Okay.
We can sit aramly 4 people.
4 people can sit aram se.
Front 2 people and back 2 people.
Back 2 people, right?
And this is an removable top.
Okay, you can remove that
Yes,
as well. Okay,
it will be take hardly time half an hour.
Okay.
Yeah, we can use it for open or close it.
So if you go to Goa, then this car is like mad, right?
Yes.
In Goa.
Yes, go.
Nice. So what? This is to cover the.
Yeah, this is
Okay.
for winter time.
Okay.
It will be safe for inside
So
people.
there is no winter in Bangalore. So what do you do with this?
Means after parking in near my home,
Okay.
we will close this one, right?
Okay,
No,
okay.
no people will come inside.
Oh, okay. Because these things are little risky, right?
Yes,
Like
yes,
anyone can take anything from the car.
Yes. So
Inside of the car.
It's a modification Jeep.
करेक्ट. दोस्तों एक चीज बताना चाहूंगा कि मैंने एक ओपन टॉप बलिनो भी रेड कलर की जो है वो उसको भी मैंने रिव्यू किया है, तो वो अभी आपको आई बटन में दिख रहा होगा. एंड नाइस. कितने बताया आपने? हाउ मच हैव यू स्पेंट ऑन द कार?
I have spent 4.5 lakhs on
4.5.
this,
ओके.
and it's have brand new, means 2015 model Bolero engine. It's have.
So new engine, how much kilometer has it run?
I think this one around 3 years has been hold. This one Jeep.
Okay.
I just drive only at 8,000 or 9,000. That's why.
So basically a new car.
Yes, not basically new car. I just kept for some rally and
okay.
for functions. That much itself.
Okay, nice. Nicely done. So इसमें have you raised up the car or anything to the suspensions or anything?
No. I
High
did
lift cam, anything else?
No,
anything?
nothing.
No, okay.
It's an everything I did in Punjab itself.
Punjab itself, okay. So do you go to off-roading also with this car?
Yes.
You do?
Yes.
Any issues?
No, nothing.
This 4x4 2?
No, it's I just use for street use.
Okay.
So I just brought for 4x2.
Okay, 2.
If we need in 4x4 means we can buy 4x4. I just need 4x2 na.
Okay.
So I just brought for street use.
Okay, nice. The music, have you done anything with the music? So,
Yes,
like-
it's have a music system. That one is Pioneer, and 2 diesel speaker is there.
Okay, can you show us?
Yeah, sure. And it's have alternate this one 2 wires. We can connect here,
Oh, okay, aux wire.
and the system is here.
अरे वाह,
for,
ये तो छुपा के रखा है आपने.
Yes, for some other people will come and चोर करके जाते हैं ना भाई, इसलिए मैं.
So how do you play? By Bluetooth?
Yes, it's a Bluetooth.
Okay.
And behind the seats, it's have 2 speakers.
Okay. This side, right?
Yes.
Okay, nice. So this, आपने तो मतलब पूरा खजाना करके रखा है म्यूजिक सिस्टम का.
Yes.
This is very innovative.
Yes. When we open the top, na, I need some music system.
Correct.
So I had it.
Nice, nicely done. So how much mileage? 4, 5,
No, 5 or 6
5
maximum.
or 6. AC, there's no AC, right?
No.
There's no AC. That's okay. Bangalore में AC वैसे you don't need also.
If you need AC means it be we can do alternate. But it's not look for Jeep.
Correct. This looks massive.
Yes.
और बताना चाहूँगा कि me and Nagarjun, we have been planning to shoot this car for the past 3-4 months.
Yes, sure.
3-4 months, right?
Yes,
लेकिन हम लोग का plan हो नहीं पाया, तो finally on the End of January we are
Yes, yes,
meeting,
sure,
and
sure.
we are getting to shoot this car.
And
So-
finally now we are shooting.
Yeah, finally
Around
we are
3 or
shooting.
4 months after.
Correct. So have we covered the car completely, or and something else is left? Can you show us the engine there?
Yes, I can
Yeah.
show you.
Oops, I almost forgot. Let's see the engine. Let's see the Bolero DI engine. Nice. Oh, neat engine here.
Yes.
Very nice. Oh, you have done damping as well?
Yes, yes.
Ah,
It's 3 years old na.
Okay.
I just did everything Punjab. I just brought like something new car.
Okay.
Like to home.
What is the torque figure of this car? Do you know the exact
I
torque
think
figure?
80.
80 is the torque?
80 or 100 it maximum.
No, I think the torque would be a little more than this, because
No,
diesel
it's a
cars-
Bolero turbo DI engine na.
Okay.
The
How's
diesel
the
vehicle.
performance of the car?
It's fine. When we enter into road na, it will be get some super bike sound. After
So you get a lot of attention in the road,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
सब लोग देखेंगे आपको शायद.
yes,
सभी देखेंगे.
everyone are crazy in modification cars na.
correct.
Everyone will see when I go on into road.
हाँ.
And it's have a 2.5 liter engine,
Nice.
turbo engine.
Okay, nicely done. तो इंजन भी आपने चेंज कर दिया. Now you can peacefully drive in Bangalore
Yes.
for a really long time.
Yes, no
No issues at
cops
all.
problem.
No cops.
We can drive aramly.
आराम से, कोई problem नहीं है. Can you tell us what exactly is this?
That one is altered for disc brake front too.
Okay.
And power steering and handbrake is there.
Okay.
It's an alterate.
Okay.
It's a power steering, power brake and handbrake and disc brake.
Okay.
It's a Momo steering sports
Okay.
and really like something power vehicle we have when we drive na. That feel we will
Okay.
see here.
Nice. So I can see your. I think we missed to show this. This is your Instagram ID, is it?
Yes, that one.
Okay, this is your Instagram ID.
Yes,
Okay.
that is one.
So R1, matlab you have an R1 also?
Yes, my I love super bike.
Okay.
So I have a Yamaha R1.
So do you have any plans to show your R1 in my channel as well?
Sure, I will
Huh?
share you.
You'll show, right?
Yes, yes, I will show you.
Lovely. Thank you so much.
And I have vintage vehicles also.
Okay.
And I
You
will
do?
show everything. I have a Luna, Vespa,
Okay.
and Priya, Bajaj
Okay.
Super.
Everything is parked inside your house?
Yes.
Oh my
And
God.
Inland model Bullet.
Okay.
Inland model Bullet also is there. 1962 model.
Okay.
And RX, 3 RX is there.
3 RX?
Yes, one is 88 model Japan and one is 135 means 2001 model and one more is 95 model.
Okay.
And I have RC 390 KTM.
अरे वाह.
Much more is there.
So आप क्या मंडे को एक, ट्यूसडे को एक, वेडनेसडे को एक, ऐसा है? Like how do you plan?
Means
how
when
do you drive?
when I go for college na, I used to take daily one vehicle
Okay.
because I love vehicles.
Okay. Right. That's why we are here.
Yes.
We are meeting.
Yes.
Okay.
It's have a foldable glass.
Okay. Foldable glass you are planning.
We can remove this one.
Okay.
Means when we remove top,
Correct.
we can this one fold. We
Correct.
can
correct.
fold it.
Correct.
This one open jeep.
Okay.
We can use it for shooting or for
Okay.
serials.
Okay.
Something different also we can do it inside.
Okay. So what about the documents? Are you planning to change the documents as
And
well?
it have a PB means a
Okay.
Punjab registration
Correct,
vehicle.
correct.
And already I have given for K means Karnataka papers.
Okay, you have already given.
Yeah, it will be take hardly 1.5-2 months. It will be cost 80 to 1 lakh maximum.
Okay.
Everything the RTO cost.
Okay.
And after that we can drive aramly. We
Okay.
can drive like this also. No issues about the cops. They will ask only NOC.
Okay.
I have NOC and I just added to RTO also.
Okay.
In 1.5-2 months it will become K.
Okay. So we are done, right?
Yes.
I think we are done.
Yes,
okay.
yes.
So first of all, thank you so much for making time and showing us your car.
Thank you bro.
And we'll very soon meet. Please हमारे viewers को आप अपना R1 भी दिखाइए and all your vintage vehicles. So my viewers will also be waiting for us.
Sure. And thank you for making my Jeep on your YouTube channel.
My pleasure.
And guys, like, share and comment it, subscribe it, friends.
Thank you.
And if you are loving the automobiles, means vehicles, you just see this YouTube channel. You will love it this channel and
Thank
you
you.
will know everything.
So he has made my work easier, so I will not blabber much.
No, no.
तो इसी के साथ दोस्तों वीडियो को यही हम खत्म करते हैं, and please like always keep watching my videos, like my videos, and I will see you on my next video. See you, bye bye.
Bye, bro.